Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and something interesting about Microsoft and the Wall Street Journal. I made a video a week or two ago about how Microsoft is kind of lying to investors because it's hiding how much money it's spending in AI and by all sorts of means. So we don't really know how much it's spending, although we know that it's spending way, way more than what it says. And well, the Wall Street Journal is an article that's highlighting this, saying that they find that Microsoft is the least transparent company and that it is actually a big problem and that shouldn't be. The Wall Street Journal does mention a lot of the AI spending is not mentioned and it's hidden from, all the reports. We don't know how much money it's going there, but we know that it's hundreds and hundreds of billions of dollars. So Microsoft doesn't want, of course, investors to know this for a simple reason. It ain't making any money with AI. Like every AI company, none of them are making money. They're spending hundreds of billions for pretty much no return. And this is something that is going to hit hard at some time, at some period in time, because I mean, come on, you can't hide all the money you're spending on something without making money and think that it's going to go fine for ever. This is crazy. So yep, the Wall Street Journal is actually raising a red flag today about Microsoft hiding its earnings. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.